So hi there, I'm now doing an end of tenancy inspection of the current tenants that are about to move out. They've lived in this house for around about 4 years and it was done up just before they moved in. The kitchen had a refresh. Basically they were old timber doors and they were painted, but it's now time to change the kitchen to a more modern kitchen. But I've had 4 years out of it, so despite the fact that the doors are hanging off, you know, and it's not at its best, there's nothing that I can really complain about to the tenant about, as it was an old kitchen that just had a refresh. The vinyl floor I'm going to replace with tiling the next time, because the problem is with these cushion floors, they do tear very easily. I've got a little hole there, there's a tear there from probably when they've moved the washing machine. So for durability, I'm going to go for either LVT or porcelain tiles. That way I should have no problems for a lot longer. Generally speaking, the property is actually, you know, not looking in bad condition really, considering how long they've been in here. There is a few marks on the floors, but again, the carpets that are in are the carpets that were in when they moved in. Had I been putting the carpets in myself, I wouldn't have chosen such a light colour, because it does show every mark. As we go up the stairs, and again, it's just general sort of wear and tear really, from the time they've been in. There is a little bit of mould occurring around the windows, which that could be combated with cleaning. Some of that is down to the way these 1970s properties were constructed, because there is a cold bridge between the window and the external wall, but it is the nature of the construction. Generally again, bedroom pretty much sorted, decoration and a good clean. I hate these things on top of doors, as obviously they've done a bit of damage to the door frame, but again, fairly easily fixed with a bit of redecorating. Now this door's strange. For life in me, I can't understand what's gone on here. Maybe the occupant of the room was paranoid about COVID, and I'm guessing that excessive bleaching of the door handles probably caused that damage. But I'll be coming back in a week's time, because the tenants are giving the place a good clean before they fully move out. The bathroom was fitted just before they moved in, and it's still in pretty good nick. I have noticed I am getting a little bit of mould around the top. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to plastic clad the roof so that it's wipe downable. I will check the insulation there, because I've got a feeling that that may be cold bridging that's going on. But on the whole, you know, this bathroom's been in 4 years. Other than some dodgy masticing that's been done, on the whole it's looking pretty decent. So yeah, it's new kitchen, quick refresh, and generally I'm quite happy. Hi, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video on property inspection. As you can see, I'm fairly happy with how the tenants have left the property. I will be carrying out a second inspection when I finally get the keys back in a week's time, but I'm expecting that they'll have had a good clean up and everything should have gone. Once I have access to the property, I will be then making videos on fitting the kitchen, so hopefully I can give you some good tips on best practice when it comes to fitting kitchens. Please like and subscribe my channel to help me grow this channel and hopefully support other investors. Thank you.